Today I'm going to show you how to use audio. So what you want to do is that you want to say your stuff in tiers, like say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So make sure you want to do that. You can also increase them here, as long as you just pause button here. Then you can do here, increase the volume, or you can put it like this. But then you have to do again like this: 1, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to increase. Then you can increase it like this here. Then you can play the audio backwards or forward. Depends how you want it to be. So then you can do is drag in one of these. You can drag it in like so. See, I've already have another one here. And you can drag this one too. And you can save voices and keep dragging them into here. Or you can go to file and save as. But it won't work that way. God. Thank you.